Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Reshu Singh and once again I'm here with a new topic. So our today's topic is hotel reservation, and in this video we are going to learn about what is reservation, types of reservation, sources of reservation, importance of reservation for guests, importance of reservation for hotels. So let's begin. Reservation in hotel industry can be defined as a blocking a particular type of room for particular guests for definite duration of time, and it also gives the first impression of the hotel. Reservation can be classified into three parts. First, tentative reservation, second, waitlisted reservation, and third one is confirmed reservation. In confirmed reservation, there is a guaranteed reservation and non-guaranteed reservation. Let's move to the tentative reservation. In this reservation, guest makes a tentative basis reservation for a particular stay dates. The hotel will hold the room for a guest till a cutoff dates, by which a guest should confirm the reservation upon confirmation. The tentative reservation will change to confirmed reservation, otherwise tentative reservation will get cancelled. And the second one is waitlisted reservation. A reservation is waitlisted when the requested category of room is not available for the requested dates. The waitlisted reservation is confirmed when the hotel receives a cancellation request for a room of the same category. But the hotel does not guarantee a room for the waitlisted reservation. It means you can say that you have to wait till the same category of room has cancelled. And the third one is confirmed reservation. A reservation can be a confirmed reservation when guest makes a payment, it should be part or fully. Then the hotel will block a room for a specified stay dates and send a written confirmation to the guest. It contains following information like name of the guest, date and time of arrival, types of room, duration of stay, room rate, reservation confirmation number, special request, etc. A confirmed reservation has also two parts. It can be guaranteed and non-guaranteed also. Guaranteed reservation is a confirmation that the hotel will hold the reserved room for the guest and not release it to any other guest even if the guest does not arrive on time. The guaranteed reservation can be obtained through following ways, like when guest has prepayment, like part or full payment. It can be obtained through contractual agreement like travel agencies or tour operators, from the corporate houses. It can also be from BTC, bill to company, etc. Now let's see what is non-guaranteed reservation. So when a guest confirms a reservation at a hotel but does not guarantee it with an advance deposit, then it is known as non-guaranteed reservation. In this type of reservation, the hotel agrees to hold a room for the guest till the cancellation hour, until the guest informs the hotel about the late arrival. And the cancellation hour is generally for 6 hours. After that, the hotel will release the room. There are two modes of reservation. First one is written mode and the second one is verbal mode. In written mode, you have choice of letters, fax, emails. It means you can book your room by letter, by fax or by email. And in verbal, you can book your room by walk-in or by telephone. Now we will see what is the sources of reservation in hotel. It means from where a hotel can receive a reservation request. First one is direct reservation. In this, a reservation request which is directly from an individual person or a group of people. Other one is hotel also can receive a reservation request from hotel website. Government sector, like booking from government sector such as public sector, undertaking, embassies and consulate, etc. Other one is corporate bodies. Hotel also can receive a reservation request from booking from companies, non-government organization and institutions. There is also other option like central reservation system, global distribution system, travel agent and tour operators, etc. And now we will see what is the importance of reservation for the hotel and also for the guests. So for the hotel there are lots of importance of reservation, and first one is we can forecast the room sold, that today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow how many room we can sold. Second one is reservation gives the first impression of the hotel to guest, and through reservation we sell the main product of a hotel. As we all know, the main product of a hotel is room, and through reservation we can sell a room many times in a day. It also generates the customer for the other departments, like through reservation when a guest come to the hotel, um, for F&B department, for food and beverage, for housekeeping, we give the customer. And fifth one is provides important management informations to other department. When we other importance of reservation for hotel is we provides important management informations to the department, like when we receive any reservation request from the guest side, we also receive the special request from the guest, and we inform the housekeeping department, we inform the F&B department, we inform the food production department for be prepared with special request of guests. And now we will see what is the importance of reservation for the guests. The first one is assurance about the accommodation. Choice in the type of accommodation. It means when guest makes a reservation for any hotel, they have a choice to choose their accommodation, that what type of accommodation they will prefer for their safety, comfort, etc. So we have done what is the importance of reservation in hotel for the guest or for the hotel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.